pizza box or cake box. I took pizza box here and take desert animal pictures and green, brown, yellow A4 board, clean and dry sand. Cut the animal pictures that we had printed. Paste them on the brown A4 board. Cut them out and now the animal pictures are ready. Draw the cactus on the green paper. Here I am drawing the cactus. My mom helped me to make the cactus because I went away. Mom helped me to finish the project. Here is my desert that I made for the project.